welcome here. I figured most of you are stuck inside right now due to the coronavirus, so I hope this video will bring you some motivation to get stuff done in your home as well. I always feel so much better having a productive day and getting stuff done. For supper this evening, I was making barbecue tostados. Stay tuned to the end to see how I put them together.
Made for each other, more than just lovers, but I guess that we will never know. 'Cause now we're back being casual, not very special. If you just said by then, ooh, oh, 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 I always thought that we'd meet again. I hope you like to do that too. You have those eyes I wouldn't forget, and now I'm just dreaming about you. We could be made for each other, more than just lovers, but I guess that we will never know. 'Cause now we're back being casual, not very special. If you just said by then, ooh, oh, 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 ooh, oh, 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 I would have liked to meet you again. You would have liked to do that too. I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
little ornery thing always does this to me when I'm trying to pick up. Here I'm just using some baby wipes to clean our floors, but I'm using Thieves Spray, which will help kill all the bacteria that's on your bathroom floors.
Had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
It can be so hard for me to stop what I'm doing to pump most days, but I'm really grateful I'm able to save a bunch of milk right now for my daughter, so I stopped to quickly pump and to store my milk. Okay, so we just picked up some more things at the grocery store. We just went a few days ago, but I needed a few other things and then just some essentials that we ran out of, so I'm going to show you. Okay, in our house we run out of these pouches so quick. So I got some apple banana pouches and these apple cinnamon. We got some cereal frosted flakes. I usually let my son have one big glass of almond chocolate milk every day. We got some original almond milk. Got some more bread. I love this sprouted reduced sodium. Caramel almond milk creamer. One vanilla one. 2 cream of chickens. 2 tomato soups. Pasta sauce. I got some potatoes and some onion to make a big pot of potato soup. I do have some easy things. I typically don't like to buy a lot of food like this. French fries. Crunchy fish fillet. 2 sausage pizzas. Now, I like to get a lot of frozen vegetables and cook these for every meal so they stay good for a long time. And my kids actually eat these really good when I saute them on the stove with spices. So I got green beans, mixed veggies, and this mixed melody, California melody. Mac and cheese, crackers, corn tortillas, chocolate chip cookies, cake mix. I've been craving sweets. I know this isn't the healthiest, but I got chocolate chips, toothpaste. I typically like to get 7th generation soap, but this is all we could get right now, which is totally fine. This Radiance. And then bleach. And then we got this huge thing of toilet paper, which should last us because we're already pretty stocked. So I'd say this will get us by for a while.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
for this recipe, all you need to do is lay down your tostados, spread refried beans on them, add your chicken, and I'm using black beans on mine. Add your cheese and then sprinkle with more barbecue sauce. Okay, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Definitely stick around and subscribe if you aren't already for more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a blessed day.